Hey everybody, welcome to this video. In this video, I'm going to explain exactly why whenever you try to scale your brand, literally any system in your brand, whether that's the paid ad system, whether that's the hiring system, hiring more people, whenever you try to scale anything in your brand, why it always crashes. Okay, I'm going to tell you exactly why this happens and why everything seems so good on the service level, but whenever you just increase the input, whether that's paid ads, whether that's the creative system, just producing more creatives and running more ads, why whenever you do that, it literally just crashes your entire profitability of the business. Okay, I'm going to tell you exactly why that is. And I actually found this out myself the hard way. Okay, I'm going to explain it to you as well. And yeah, my name's Gurnoor. If you're new to the channel, I'm a man on a mission to make scaling to 8 figures easy for health and wellness e-commerce brands. And that's basically what I create videos about, right? And for brands who are between that sort of 6 figure mark and 7 figure mark, right? They're trying to actually scale to 7 figures. This is a huge issue. Scaling without going unprofitable is one of the hardest things to do. And today I'm going to explain exactly why that is, okay? So basically, recently I actually got a injury in the sport that I play. I play kabaddi. It's a very physical sport. It's basically like wrestling and rugby combined. It's very physical, okay? And I got a knee injury, and maybe after a few days I thought it would get better, and I had a training coming up, okay? Training was on Thursday, today was a Wednesday, and I was like, you know what? I don't feel the best, but let me just go train. I'm sure it's going to be fine. I'm sure it's going to be fine. I went to training, everything felt fine in training, and today I woke up and I can barely even move my knee, okay? So it got absolutely fucked. And I want to explain to you how this actually relates to your situation right now. So I want to quickly explain to you what systems actually are. First of all, a system is essentially input to process. And by the way, credits to Sam Ovens for this, right? He actually created this entire system. And output and feedback. Okay, this is basically what a system is at the core. So we've got the system over here, we've got the input, we've got the process, we've got the output, and then the output gives us feedback to then improve our inputs. Now, the thing with this is that in your meta ad system, I'm going to give you an example of meta ads why you go unprofitable when you actually scale, is you are putting in creatives right now, okay? The process is Meta actually testing your creatives for you, and the output is your ad win rate or your ad hit rate isn't actually where you want it to be. Maybe it's only at 5%, maybe it's only at 10%, okay? Maybe you're not getting any winning ad creatives at all. And when you only have maybe one winning ad and you try to actually just produce more creatives to actually find what's going to work, the feedback that you're going to get is that it does not work like that. Because if you have a shit system right now, apologies for being very, very blatant and upfront. If you have a shit system right now and you actually try to multiply the shit system, you're only going to multiply the shit, okay? Basically, a more family friendly way of saying it is that if you have a system with one problem, okay, then if you actually do scale that system by maybe 10 times, you're not going to still have one problem. You're going to have 10 problems to actually fix with that system. When you scale a system, whatever the system actually outputs actually multiplies as well. So if it outputs a problem, it multiplies that problem as well. And that's why when you scale, your problems only get bigger. So your problem right now isn't the fact that you don't have enough inputs. For everyone struggling with their meta ads and everything, your problem isn't that you don't have enough inputs. Your problem is that you can't predictably get the output of winning ad creatives, okay? Winning ad creatives. That is your real problem. When you actually crack a system where out of every, let's say, 10 creatives, you have 2 to 3 that actually turn into a winning ad, that's when you can actually start to scale a system. That's why all these big brands that you see flexing their 4,000, 10,000 ads online, all these brands, they don't tell you the harsh reality of actually needing to find a system that works first. And then, and only then, can you actually scale. And that's literally what I wanted to explain to you guys in this video. And that's basically that, right? If you are a six figures a month e-commerce brand in the health and wellness space, and you're personally struggling to actually scale to that seven-figure mark, or really just scale without even going unprofitable, without losing money, then you could actually check out the link in the description. Please don't feel obliged to actually do it. You don't have to do it. I don't really mind if you do it or not, but basically it's just a video explaining how we actually help six-figure e-commerce brands doing six figures a month in the health and wellness space actually scale to those seven-figure months profitably and basically have all that financial, time, location, freedom, everything that they want, okay? How we actually help brands pass these videos. You can go check that out. Don't feel obliged to actually do it. Don't feel obligated to actually do it, but you can check that out if you actually want to. And yeah, look, that's it for this video. If you did actually like this video, you can actually physically like this video as well. There's a button for that. And if you do want to also let me know you have any suggestions or you have any questions for me, comment them down below. I basically read every single comment, so you guys can comment that down below and I will get back to you with an answer, or I'll answer your suggestion, right? And if you did actually enjoy the video and you don't want to actually lose this channel, you want to keep watching a few of my videos every now and then you can subscribe to this channel. And yeah, that is literally it. I make these videos for free, so I basically get nothing for them. But yeah, I really do hope this drilled a point home for you. And if you do want a in-depth video on how systems work, you can actually let me know as well. Anyway, that is it for this video. And yeah, talk to you all soon, all right? You take care.